How to change the high level brake bulbs on a Peugeot 307. So inside the tailgate, remove these two 10mm nuts. Next step is to remove the light unit. So it might be easier while inside is to push these up. Release the light that way. See the light comes out. Then we're going to disconnect the electrics. So to disconnect the electrics, you push this little tab up here, and so you can hear it. The electrics off. Disconnect that. And that's out. Electrics, a bit easier, it just slips on like that. Push the bottom button, pulls out. And obviously disconnect that right there. Now to get to the bulbs, push these together, these tabs. That lifts the unit out. That reveals the bulbs. And then just pull out bulbs, capless, as you see. Get your new bulb back in. And the refit is just the reverse of what you've just seen. And when you're refitting it, just make sure you squeeze this tab up to fit in. Finger behind, push it up, pulls in, there you go.